Did you know it's possible to make money online without spending anything and start today? Yes, in 2025, access to the internet has brought incredible opportunities for teenagers like you to make money quickly and easily, without needing experience or big investments. Now, just imagine, what would you do if you started generating extra income from the comfort of your home, using just your computer or phone? Want to know how this is possible? In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to make money online, without paying anything, and how you can start right now. Stick around until the end because I'll share tips that could completely transform the way you handle money online. Hey, guys! If you're a teenager looking for a practical, quick, and completely free way to start making money online, you've come to the right place. In 2025, the internet is no longer just for fun, it's an amazing source of income opportunities. The good news is, with the right tools, you can turn your skills and even your free time into real money. Now, you might be wondering, but how can I get started? In this video, I'll show you 5 fast and easy ways to make money online, without needing to invest anything other than your time and effort. And at the end, I'll give you a powerful tip to make sure you know how to move forward and actually start earning. Stick with me until the end because I promise that by the time you finish watching, you'll have everything you need to take your first steps into the digital world. Before we continue, if you're excited to learn these ways to make money online, hit the subscribe button down below. This way, you won't miss any tips and you'll stay updated with all our videos about improving your finances and making the most of digital opportunities. Now, let's dive into the tips. The first option you should consider when looking for ways to make money online is to work as a freelancer. The advantage? It doesn't require any investment or expensive equipment. All you need is your knowledge and skills. And you can start today. You might be wondering, but what can I offer as a freelancer, being so young? And I'm telling you, anything. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or even if you speak more than one language, you have something valuable to offer. The freelancer market has grown enormously in recent years, and platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are packed with opportunities for people of all ages. Of course, like any business, success doesn't come overnight, but the good news is that, since you're starting now, you have the chance to learn while you earn. These platforms allow you to create your own profile, list your services, and start working with clients from all over the world. What you need to understand is that to stand out, you need to invest time in improving your skills and learning how to communicate well with clients. For example, if you enjoy writing, you can start offering your services to write blog posts or create content for social media. If you're good at design, you can start creating logos or banners for companies that need a visual identity. Plus, if you speak more than one language, you can work as a translator for texts or even videos. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you have the flexibility to choose the projects that interest you most. Also, the payment process is very advantageous. Most of these platforms offer secure and transparent payments, which means you get paid for the work you deliver. The secret to getting more clients is always delivering quality and ensuring your profile has good reviews. From there, you'll start building a loyal client base and increasing your earnings. If you already have some type of online presence, like an Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube account, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money. What is affiliate marketing? Basically, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Sounds simple, right? And it really is. It doesn't require much initial investment, just patience and consistency to engage your audience. The first thing you should do is choose a niche. It could be anything, from fashion, beauty, gaming, to more specific niches like technology or wellness. Then, you sign up for affiliate programs. Some of the largest are Amazon Associates, Hotmart, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These platforms offer affiliate links for thousands of products and services, and you can start promoting them directly to your audience. The more people buy through your link, the more money you make. The best part is that you don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or any other logistical aspects of a traditional business. The trick to affiliate marketing is to be strategic. It's not enough to just grab the link and throw it everywhere. The ideal is to create content that is relevant and authentic, talking about the product's benefits in an honest way. If you have a YouTube channel, you can do product reviews for products you actually use and love. If you have a blog, you can write articles and include affiliate links. Social media is also an excellent platform to promote products. For example, imagine you love a clothing brand and sign up for their affiliate program. You can create videos or posts showing how the products look on you, explaining the benefits of using that brand, and inserting your link so people can buy directly from you. And don't forget, over time, you'll learn what your audience enjoys the most and you'll be able to improve your results. Now, if you have specific knowledge or a skill that others would love to learn, creating and selling digital products like online courses or ebooks can be one of the best ways to make money. And the best part is, you don't have to be an expert to get started. If you know something others want to learn, you already have enough to create a digital product. You can start by creating an online course or an ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about. For example, maybe you're really good at math and can create a course teaching how to solve complex problems in a simple way. Or maybe you're passionate about music and could create an ebook teaching how to play an instrument. What matters is that the content is valuable and useful to those looking to learn about the subject. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to create and sell courses and digital products easily and with no upfront costs. You only pay a small commission when someone buys your course. With these sites, you can reach a global audience, and all you need is a computer, a good idea, and, of course, your knowledge. The biggest advantage of digital products is that they generate passive income. This means you create the product once and continue making money from it over time. When you create a course or ebook, it can be bought anytime, by anyone. In other words, you don't have to actively work on each sale, which makes this type of business perfect for anyone looking for continuous cash flow. Additionally, creating and selling digital products allows you to be your own boss. You set the prices, the content, and how you promote it. And with the right tools, you can easily automate many parts of the process, making your work even more efficient. These two platforms are amazing for making money online, especially if you enjoy creating videos. On YouTube, you can start making money as soon as you meet the minimum requirements for monetization, which include 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. And trust me, it's completely possible to hit those numbers with engaging and relevant content. When you start building an audience on YouTube, you can make money in several ways: ads, sponsorships, product sales, and even fan donations through platforms like Super Chat or Patreon. The cool part is that when you create a video and it starts getting views from a lot of people, the work continues to generate income even after the video is published. TikTok also offers a way to make money, mainly through the TikTok Creator Fund, where content creators earn money based on how well their videos perform. But monetization on TikTok isn't limited to the Creator Fund. If you have a good number of followers, you can start making partnerships with brands and do sponsored posts, promoting products or services directly to your audience. To succeed on YouTube or TikTok, the secret is to create content that people want to watch and share. The more engagement your videos get, the more you'll get noticed, which can attract brands to partner with you. And don't forget, over time, you'll learn what works best for your audience, which can help you grow even more. Lastly, a simpler but still effective way to make money online is by participating in surveys and product testing. Companies pay for your opinion about products and services, and this can be an easy way to make some extra money in your free time. Many of these companies are well known, like Swagbucks, Taluna, Pinecone Research, and Inbox Dollars. While the payments for surveys may not be huge, the advantage is that you can do this on your phone or computer, anytime during the day. All you need to do is answer some questions or test new products and give your feedback. Plus, some of these platforms offer prizes or coupons you can use for other purchases, making the process even more advantageous. This option is great for those just starting to make money online in a simpler way, without needing many skills. The main advantage is the ease of starting, but keep in mind that the income generated in this way is more limited. However, it's a great starting point. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps me know you're enjoying the content and want to see more videos like this. Now, let's keep going with more ways to make money online. So, did you enjoy the tips? Now it's your turn to put them into practice and start generating your own online income. Remember, with consistency and dedication, you can turn these opportunities into a real business. If you want to learn more about how to make money on the internet and improve your finances, be sure to check out the other videos on the channel that are showing up on the screen. Click on any of them to continue your journey. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next one.